Hello, and welcome to a video for SAP Business One. In this video, we're going to be covering the web client specifically and the sales to AR invoice workflow. So first thing you're going to see is the web client in front of you here, and this is in a demo database, and this is my home page that you see that I've customized. We're going to start with a sales order. Now, we can also start with a sales quote if that's your starting point as well, but similar fields that we're going to have here. Now, first thing is very similar to the full version of SAP. It's going to start very much with the same required fields. So we're going to pick our customer here. A little bit of a different look to it, but we'll just choose test customer one. But you'll see the same functionalities happen here in the web client that they do in the full version. So in this scenario, we have a customer that's exceeding their credit limit. But we're going to go ahead and bypass that. And you can even see kind of a new neat feature here with a bar that tells you how close they are to the credit limit. And there's a percentage that'll show up there. Now, we'll pick our delivery date. Let's just pick today. We'll just put in some just test remarks here. Then we'll work our way down through. So here's going to be our row level of what items we're going to sell. So we're going to go ahead and select some items here. We'll just select an office printer here. Select that one. I have the ability to add more if I'd like, adjust quantities, so on and so forth. We'll just keep this pretty basic here. Here's all my text codes. I'll even show you as I start typing, it's going to start bringing up a match to that. So we're going to go ahead and call this exempt here. We're going to keep rolling down here. So a little different look and a feel. The freight charges are up front here instead of in its own separate window. In the tabs that you're used to seeing, like logistics and accounting, or just to scroll down instead of their own individual tabs here. So we have the ability to pick different ship to addresses, bill to addresses, so on and so forth. This particular customer does not have those, so we'll just kind of go right past that here. And then here's our accounting tab with our payment terms. This all defaults from business partner master data. And then we also have our user-defined fields. So instead of a kick out to the right that you're used to seeing as far as user-defined fields, you're going to see them just down here at the bottom. Now, I don't have to scroll down. I can choose to click up at the top and it'll drop me down to the appropriate section there. But let's say we're good to go here. And we're going to add this. So let's hit add and view. It's going to keep telling me that I'm over my credit limit here. We're just going to keep pushing on through. Now that was successful. We have our document here. But let's keep on going through. Let's go ahead and deliver this. So we're going to go copy to. So the copy to and copy from functions are still available here in the web client. Go ahead and copy that to a delivery. Here's our delivery document. We still have the ability to alter quantities. Let's say you're partially receiving. Now, that doesn't make sense in this current scenario where we only have one, but you would be able to alter this prior to submitting here and do multiple deliveries for sales orders. Let's go ahead and add that document. Now we successfully have a delivery document here. Let's continue on through and push it all the way to the end. We're going to go to an AR invoice. Here's our invoice. Let's go ahead and add that. Now at this point here, we have our open AR invoice. If you're used to the regular client, you can have the relationship map here. But in the web client, it's just right up here in this little button called relationship map, and you can see a full view of what's happened so far. And here's our end step here of that. But this same concept, if I wanted to, I could click here. I could go back and review my delivery here. So here's my closed delivery. I could go back. Toggle back and forth as much as I want. I can have different screens, different tabs popping up here as we go. But back to our invoice here. And this concludes the video. I just wanted to show a quick video of the sales process all the way through to an invoice, see some of the fields and how they work in the web client versus the full client. And of course, we'll be creating some other videos here to show more of the functionality here of the web client.